Hi, this is Will Cook with the Will Cook Group. Welcome back to my video blog. Today I'm going to give you a fall real estate market update. Over the last few months, we've experienced a decline in sales in the Coachella Valley. The 3-month average of sales was 513 units in October. This was 53 units less than last year at this time. And the 12-month average of sales, which takes out seasonality, shows sales averaging about 599 units a month. This is 25% less than what we saw last year at this time. The city with the highest increase in sales is Rancho Mirage, and the cities with the highest decrease in sales were La Quinta and Indio. Let's look at some of the other data. This first chart shows a seasonally adjusted curve where current sales are as a percent of historic norms. The bottom half is when sales are below average, and the upper half is when they're above average. What is normal is calculated from sales over the years of 2016, 17, 18, and 19. For example, at the height of the pandemic in January of 2021, sales were 59.5% above the norm. Sales then fell to 34.8% below the norm by January of 2023, but then began to improve. This stopped by May, and sales are decreasing again, now running 30.8% below normal. This is almost all due to higher interest rates and the digesting of the excess demand that was created by low rates during COVID. As you will see in this next slide, the median price of a detached home in the Coachella Valley ended October at $642,450, up slightly for the month, but down 2.7% year over year. The price decline over the last 5 months has been primarily seasonal, but prices often begin to rise in October and carry forward until April. The increase last month may be the start of that pattern. With inventory rising and sales remaining low, supply and demand is beginning to slowly favor buyers. You will see in this next slide, in October, Valley inventory increased 348 units, and by November 1st, it stood at 2,110 units. While most of this increase is seasonal, the size of the gain is larger than most increases in October. However, it's still about 1,000 units under what is normal for this time of year. Inventory is expected to continue its seasonal increase for the next 3 or 4 months. These two tables display the price and the price per square foot of the average home in each Coachella Valley city. In October, year-over-year price changes for detached homes range from an increase of 11% in Bermuda Dunes to a decline of 9% in the city of Coachella. 6 cities have gains for their attached or condos homes: Indian Wells, Rancho Mirage, La Quinta, Bermuda Dunes, Cathedral City, and Indio. The median selling time in the Coachella Valley is relatively stable. At the end of October, the median number of days in the market in the Coachella Valley was 37 days, which is 1 day less than last month and 2 days more than last year. Because of growing inventory, median selling time should stay around the current levels and possibly rise a little over the next 6 months. So what does all of this mean if you're a buyer or a seller? Well, if you're a buyer who is financing your purchase, the challenge continues to be that conventional mortgage rates are hovering around 7%. However, we are seeing more sellers offering to contribute to interest rate buy downs, which helps the monthly payment in the first 2 or 3 years of the loan. If you're a seller and willing to present your property in the best possible light, which means taking care of small repairs, possibly painting, and staging your home, and pricing your home to the most recent comps in your area, there is still demand in the market and buyers are moving on properties. However, buyers are beginning to have more choices as more homes come on the market, which showcases the importance of presenting your home in the best possible light and marketing it properly. It's more important than ever to work with an experienced, seasoned agent, and we'd like to apply for the job. If you'd like to speak about your unique situation, talk about the market dynamics for your home, and what you might need to do to get it sold, give us a call, text, or an email. We'd love to talk to you. If you have any other real estate related topics or questions that we can answer, also please reach out with those. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.